Survival of fittest, a famous law given by Charles Darwin, is well known to many of us. But hardly we understood its actual meaning, which we are getting right now. When we are fighting against an invisible enemy, a virus. When we are fighting for our survival, when we are fighting against the system to keep our breath maintained. A new strain of virus has brought the world to their knees, and the situation faced by this country is actually breathtaking. Devastating epidemic killing thousands of people because we are not prepared for this. Then the question arises, how India failed to prevent COVID second wave? What really landed India into this ugliness, how center failed to prevent this situation, and how actually our entire system collapsed. Okay, so only one political party or the other could not be blamed over this. Being a responsible citizen of country, we all are equally responsible for the current scenario, and this is called collective failure. Moving on to the central government, no red flag alerts were introduced into the people in large. Instead, they imposed 64 million doses to 84 countries in need, but failed to pre-attempt the shortage of vaccine to its own population, thus not prioritizing its own population. And as I mentioned earlier, central government can alone not be blamed over this. State government is also responsible for this. Instead of coming forward with the upcare health services, they kept on playing the role of an opposition. Like playing vaccine politics, who is going to give vaccine in free and who is not. And eventually blaming the central government entirely for their failure. The opposition, instead of provoking people to get vaccinated, they kept on playing vaccine hesitancy among people like Modi ji ki vaccine hai, mat lagwaiye. The Election Commission, who granted permission to conduct elections and rallies in the 5 poll-borne states of the country, is also responsible for this. The authorities, the department who granted permission to conduct Kumbh Mela, is also responsible for this. And finally, we, the Janta, the people of India, has its great hand in creating such a devastating situation. Instead of ensuring social distancing, not being the part of any gathering, and wearing face masks all the time, hardly we noticed people following these guidelines. Instead, they called this COVID-19 as a hoax. Kuch nahi hai COVID, sab politics hai. Then now why are you blaming government when you are being affected by the virus? Actually what? We are lucky enough to live in such a country where we get the right of freedom and opinion, through which we can keep our thoughts forward. So please kindly spread positivity. These months of lockdown had not been same for all of us. Many are starving. Many are running through financial conditions. Many have lost their jobs. Many have lost their loved ones. So it's high time to stand together and help each other either financially or emotionally, instead of criticizing any government or any department. And let's move together towards a happier India again. फिर से मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया, फिर से जीत जाएगा इंडिया. Thank you.